Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about NinjaTrader and AMP Futures, and I will help you to decide which trading platform is better in 2025. So first up is NinjaTrader. It is a trading platform and brokerage focused on futures and forex trading, known for its customizable charts, automated strategies, and real-time order flow tools. AMP Futures, on the other hand, is a futures brokerage that supports multiple platforms including MetaTrader 5, TradingView, and Sierra Chart. It is known for low margins, tight spreads, and flexibility. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, their platform. NinjaTrader offers its own powerful platform, while AMP Futures doesn't have a native platform, but it lets you choose from over 20 third-party platforms. Number 2, their brokerage options. With AMP, you can get more choices on the platforms and fees. On the other hand, NinjaTrader's brokerage is tightly integrated and it is more limited. Number 3, their pricing and margins. AMP is known for ultra-low intraday margins, and this has a much lower than NinjaTrader brokerage, and this is great for scalpers and small account traders. Number 4, data feeds. NinjaTraders offers kinetic and CQG data options, while AMP uses similar feeds but it allows more customization based on your platforms. Number 5, their support and community. Both of them have active users communities, but NinjaTrader's support is more focused around its ecosystem, while AMP's support varies by the platform that you will choose. So for final verdict, if you want an all-in-one solution, NinjaTrader is the great choice. But if you want a broker flexibility and lower trading costs, AMP Futures is a better choice in 2025. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.